Hello, and I am back because today, I actually got this about a week ago, but I had bunion surgery, so I've been really behind on my videos, but I just wanted to share my first Influenster. I think they call it a Mega Voxbox, but I won this during a Twitter Sears challenge. It took about 2 months. Like, being an influencer, you have to learn patience because their Voxbox takes so long to arrive to you, about a month for just like a regular Voxbox. And then for this Mega Voxbox, it was about 2 months. It came with this little card. It says, "Congrats, congrats, congrats. Hello, Rockstar. There's really no other way to put this. You're the best. You earned the amazing prize inside this box by being a model member of Influenster Nation. Thanks for making Influenster the best community of product lovers in the world. Enjoy your well-deserved prize, and don't forget to show it off on social using the hashtag InfluencerChamp. And remember, there are always new opportunities to earn more rewards on Influenster.com, so keep reviewing and asking questions, and follow and engage with us on social media. Keep rocking the Influenster team." If you don't know about Influenster, I mainly go on the app, but they also have the website version, and you just go in, review products, and if they like how you're reviewing your products and you do it often and you check out other people's reviews and answer questions or ask questions, they'll pick up on it and they'll send you an email for products that they're gonna start sending out to people to review. And if you qualify for that certain Voxbox, then they'll either send you a box of products to review, or they'll do like a digital Voxbox and you just do it online. And yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I've actually had a few Voxboxes, mainly digital ones, like the Bare Minerals or the Sears, but my physical Voxbox that I got was from Perricone. I got one of those to test out their plasma face cream, and that was pretty nice. So yeah, this is what came in my Mega Voxbox. It's just a few goodies. I wasn't sure what to expect. People have gotten different stuff before with their Mega Voxboxes that they won, but this one was pretty cool because everything in here I actually needed to buy. So first off, we have the Gillette Venus Embrace razors, which is really nice because you can never have too many razors when you're a woman with hairy legs. And this is actually something I've been using, and it's the Dickens Original Witch Hazel Daily Refreshing Clean Cleansing Cloths. And they're soap and fragrance free. I'm not sure how they do the fragrance free because it's pretty strong in smell. I guess it's the witch hazel. But yeah, it says free to gently cleanse, tone, and refresh, removing dirt, oil, makeup without over drying or leaving sticky residue with botanical extracts. And this is, I've been using this quite a lot. It doesn't do well with removing waterproof mascara or just mascara in general because these are pretty dry cloths. But just to like wipe everything, it actually does really well with removing dirt because it does a good job. After like a couple of times of using it, it'll remove some of my blackheads. Really enjoying that. Just be aware that the witch hazel smell is pretty intense, and if you get it close to your eyes, it kind of has like a burning sensation. So yeah, just make sure to not get close to the eyes. And next is actually nail polish. It's a Sinful Colors Limited Time Stone Crystal Shimmer from Sinful Colors Professionals. And it's this pretty green. It's kind of like a mossy pastel green with silver sparkles in it, which I'm actually really excited to use because for my surgery I had to take off all my nail polish. So right now I just have like sparkly nail polish, just so my nails look presentable. And next, I'm not sure how much I'm gonna use this, but it's the Airbrush Legs Smooth On Perfect Legs in an Instant Light Color Leg Makeup from Sally Hansen. Not exactly, I think this might be like a bronzer. Yeah, it's pretty dark, like pretty dark compared to my skin tone. And these are my hands that are pretty, they're pretty tan. My hands and my wrists, I don't know if you can see it, but that's like, this is my actual skin tone. And this is just my arms that are tanned from like going to Disney. I may just give it to my sister because my sister loves this kind of stuff. Last in the box is this Dove Dry Spray in Cool Essentials. It's a 48-hour antiperspirant non-irritant. So I'm excited to use this. I don't typically use dry deodorant. I'm actually have been trying some natural deodorants. I couldn't remember the name, but yeah, I've been trying the Schmidt, I think it's called Schmidt deodorants. Those actually just sent an email to customer service because apparently this is like a common thing that their regular formula of deodorant, it leaves like a dark, weird spot underneath your armpits. So they're sending me their sensitive formula, and that's supposed to be better, that it doesn't leave those dark marks. So I'm hoping for the best, but if that doesn't work out, this is definitely gonna be my go-to. Yeah, that was my Mega Voxbox, my first one, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Check out Influenster if you're interested in reviewing products for free. And until next time, remember to hit that subscribe button below and the like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!